Make any party more personalized with customized fondant toppers. Working with fondant is much easier than it seems. If you've never tried it, think of it like playing with clay or modeling dough. To make our cookie toppers, we need to knead our fondant until it's pliable, and then roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Cut the fondant using the same cookie cutter you used to make your cookies. That way they'll be about the same shape and size. Fondant is a great canvas. It can be decorated in tons of ways. Stamping is a great option. Cake Craft coloring gel can be used as a paint. Adding a few drops of clear alcohol like vodka or even lemon extract to the coloring gel helps it to dry more quickly, and you can change the pigmentation of the color by adding more alcohol to dilute it. Apply it to your fondant toppers with a small craft brush and allow it to dry before placing your fondant pieces onto your cookies. This drying time also gives the fondant time to firm up, which will make it easier to transfer to your cookies without misshaping them. Spread a thin, even layer of buttercream onto your cookies to give your fondant topper something to stick to. Custom fondant and cookies are a great combo, but this is a great idea for cupcakes too. What would your stamped fondant cookies or cupcakes say? Let us know on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to tag us in your fondant creations to share the baking love.